got a little bit of work done. Put up a little, I don't know if you can hear me now. I have to get out of the wind. Put up a little tent area for my assistant student person. And it's really crazy out here because it's really windy. But I got some things done. Let's see. So a little cubby hole area. So I just put that furniture around there, so I put the furniture around so it won't be so easy for anybody to just jump in my hole. I started putting fence up. So I gotta go all the way around with the fence in this one area, just to start out with. And that's about it. Just putting a little few things out, trying to make it look retreaty. And then I gotta do all that land back there. Okay, chairs are falling over. And that's my, I have to turn away from it so the wind won't. Over there, that's my my man on the land who takes care of the land, I should say. He's the land steward, so he's the one putting the road and all that. But I'm here, and I'm on my way, and pretty soon it'll be a brighter day.